What's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to show you how to take a rusty, poorly painted, any go-kart, something that looks like this, to something that looks more like this. First step, disassembly. Bagging up your hardware now will make everything easier later. Once fully disassembled, you can start sanding. So yesterday we left off with me flipping the go-kart over. Sanding is a lot of work. I still have the roll cage, the A-arm, spindles, the back arm, what else? Start off with a coarser grit sandpaper to get the rust and old paint. After that, go to a higher grit to get rid of the imperfections you may have made. Now remember all these rusty spots. We want to get down to bare metal so it looks more like that. As things were getting quite messy inside, I moved the operation outside. Everything you can see and feel will show through the paint. Get it smooth to the touch. If you're wondering, I'm starting off with a 120 grit because I don't think I need to go very aggressive. I want to keep these roll bars nice and circular. Use a wire wheel to get rust and old paint from hard to reach places. Warning, to avoid serious injury or death. We don't need that. If there's any adhesive on your project, paint thinner works well to break it down. Now that the sanding is done, clean up yourself and the parts you're painting. I use isopropyl alcohol and compressed air. Always do light coats when priming and read the instructions on the can. I finished priming last night. It's too dark to record though. No! 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 I'm almost certain because these are the same brand and same type of paint that instead of just doing another coat of this color, I should just be able to swing in when this one's ready for another coat and do this right in the middle portion where I want to. If you think I'm wrong or you want to correct me, go ahead in the comments, let me know what you think. Be sure to give enough time before masking off areas to do different colors. Now where the roll cage hoop is meeting these, I'm going to paint this black to fade that in. Always read instructions on the paint can and don't paint in high humidity. Make sure everything has dried enough, then begin assembly. If you watched my last video, you'll know I broke multiple teeth on my steering gear. Unfortunately I never got a welder, but I did bring this over to a machine shop near me and have them cut out these gears perfect for what I need. Brake caliper install. It can be helpful to have an extra set of hands while you're assembling. Now all that's left to do is take it for a ride. That was a lot of work. a lot of sandpaper, a lot of paint and supplies. I'm quite happy and satisfied with how it came out. I did not go over any of the rust pitting with Bondo or anything. You could do that, but I'm completely satisfied. Hopefully you learned something watching the video. Now you're ready to take on a project just like this yourself. What's your next project you're painting? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Oh, you know I push the gas.